In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the bearish pennant chart pattern in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and have a chart open for the market you're analyzing. This could be a stock, a cryptocurrency, or a forex pair. Once your chart is loaded and you're comfortable with the current time frame and layout, we're ready to start. On your chart screen, look toward the top area where you see the different tools and options for indicators and drawing tools. Here, you'll want to look for the option labeled Technicals. This is where TradingView groups many of its built-in analysis tools and automated pattern detection features. Go ahead and click on Technicals. When you do this, a panel will open, usually on the right-hand side or as a drop-down, depending on your layout. Inside this Technicals section, you'll see several categories, and one of them will be related to chart patterns. Find and click on the option called Patterns. This tells TradingView that you're specifically interested in automatically identifying recognizable chart patterns on your current chart, rather than just using indicators like moving averages or oscillators. Once you click on Patterns, you'll be presented with a list of different pattern types that TradingView can highlight for you. These typically include things like triangles, flags, wedges, and more. Scroll through this list until you find the bearish pennant pattern. The bearish pennant is a continuation pattern that usually appears after a strong downward move, followed by a brief consolidation that looks like a small symmetrical triangle before potentially continuing lower. It's particularly useful for traders who focus on short setups or want confirmation of bearish momentum. When you see bearish pennant patterns in the list, click on it. By enabling this option, you're telling TradingView to scan your active chart for any areas that match the bearish pennant criteria. Once it's turned on, TradingView will automatically start marking these patterns on the chart whenever they appear, usually with highlighted shapes or labels. This can save you a lot of time compared to manually drawing and identifying them. Finally, if you haven't already upgraded or signed up for TradingView Pro, make sure to use the link in my description to sign up. That way, you'll have access to these advanced pattern tools and get the most out of your charting and technical analysis.